Hello. I have an unpackaging to do. Gonna put this on Facebook probably. Okay, try and do it as quickly as possible. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Got a couple of things here. AliExpress, first one. You know they have a new way of doing things. Let me turn my light on. It might help a little bit to see things. There might be a glare. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I don't have a fancy setup, so I'll just hold them up. Anyway, so AliExpress is doing things a little bit differently now. They wait until all the different vendors send everything to one location, and then they put it in one package and mail it out. Okay, this is the one package. Okay, and see what I mean? You guys probably know that, but wow. I just finally placed a big order because I could afford it after Christmas, and it's everything I ordered. I guess it's cheaper for us and them. I don't know. However, I have noticed shipping amounts on most stuff. I try to only order things that come in as free. Okay, first, hopefully stuff is not backwards. From to, this is has very skimpy looking dies, but I bet, wow. Okay, see what I mean about skimpy? I mean, it actually broke already. Wow, okay, but anyway, it's Stampin' Up. I mean, it's not Stampin' Up. It's, you know, they bit off of Stampin' Up. Catch my drift? This is in the current catalog, pretty much the same. It's, interesting. Not till next year for Christmas. Could be birthday too if I figured out how to do it. But anyway, okay, let's see. All right, number one. Number two. I'm going to try and do this quickly because I know you don't want to. This is Facebook that this is going on because I can't figure out how to get it on YouTube anymore. Crap changes. Oh, how pretty. Little butterflies. Wow. All right. I am not going to take them out of here. You probably want me to. But anyway, they're like very thin and delicate. And they're just really nice. Decals. Butterfly Nature Series. This is something like you would get if you were to subscribe to Your Creative Studio. She's out of Canada. I have many of her boxes and don't use enough of them. Anyway, she gets them from China. Then she curates it. That's the word. She curates it. Okay. Moving on, moving on, moving on. I don't want to cut anything, so I'm trying to be a little careful. Okay. This is a die. Okay, so I'm just gonna say it. A Pink Fresh Studio, Lawn Fawn, Simon Says. Simple Simon Says. Anyway, it's just a rectangle of square dies. It's has dashes all around, and it's in wonderful sizes and very easy to separate. And I probably paid $5. Why on earth would I pay $45 when I can pay $5? If it only lasts me 2 years because it's, quote, China made, unquote, then so be it. I'll be sick of it, or we'll be moving on in the industry, the stamping industry, which moves rapidly. We'll be moving on to something else anyway. Okay. All right. A couple more. Not too many. Not too many. Not too many. Okay. Nope. Not going to do it for me. I was trying to get it open super fast. And it just doesn't want to do that for me. You know, I really should have opened all of these ahead of time. But I wanted to show you that this is the way they're coming now. This is just paper, I think. Oh, yep, that's all this is. But kind of collage paper, very pretty. Again, mold card. I'm not going to give you links. This is just an unbox. Just go on AliExpress and have fun. Just look for stuff. Just put it in the search bar. Paper, 6x6, 8x6, whatever, you know. That's the best way to do it. I am taking this out. Yeah, they're all different pages. They're collage. I have no idea what the words say. Do they say anything? They have a very odd smell. Yeah, it's English. Yeah, talks about the flowers that are on each one. They probably repeat themselves a great deal. Yeah, collage, junk journals. Okay, just got to put that up there real quick. Okay, another little one. Woo, very poorly packaged. Someone must have known they put it in a big package anyway, so why kill yourself? Wow. Alrighty then. Ugh, really should have opened them already. Such a waste of time opening stuff. It really is. Okay. Okay. I already have something like this, but these specifically are made so that you can make them into a shaker ticket. Okay. So I wanted to play around with that and see what happened. Let's see. I think I can get away with just zooming across this puppy. Alrighty. Feels like... no, I couldn't. Got it. Nothing goes back in the package. Whoa. Ton of dies in one package, so I must have ordered from one company. Okay. I did. Oh. Nice to meet you, Butterfly Craft. Interesting. This is very much like an Alina Cuddle packaging backing card. Huh. Make a tag out of that easily, couldn't I? Might just do that. Junk journal. Ooh. Okay, see? In my hurry to get this out, because it's really pretty poorly made, I actually bent this, but I didn't bend the flower, I just bent where you separate it. So that's okay. All right, so here we have more. You know, I'm not sure what. It definitely is an envelope liner. I think A2. You probably cannot see this because of this doggone. Yeah, there you go. Can you see it's an envelope liner? Yeah, I think you can now. Okay, and below the envelope liner is more frames. Happy birthday is in one of them. I bet you can't see that. Poor lighting, really poor lighting. And I'm near the window. I might not even post this. Maybe I'm just doing this for posterity. Happy birthday and a nice rectangle frame. We'll see. All right, let's keep going. Let me get that card back. Ugh, what a mess I have. Okay. Oh gosh, okay. I don't know whose idea it was, but I got this from somebody already online. Scrap Diva, something number maybe. Don't hold me to that. So this is just, you know, you fold it over a page and then you can pull it out of a little pocket. Yeah, okay. Okay, way smaller than I anticipated. That is part of the issue with AliExpress stuff. A lot of times you order, and if you don't know your millimeters and gigameters and all that, man, when you get it, you're like, oh, I thought it was bigger. Or, oh, I thought it was smaller. They're still useful, don't get me wrong, but that little T thing right there, oh, that is little, and the cup. But, you know, I don't always make big stuff. Sometimes I need the little. And this is a pocket. They always enclose stuff inside. Nicole does that. I like Nicole's silhouette. I like it. All right, so small tag. I'll have to cut this out and see what happens. These inside tags, tiny, tiny hearts. Curious to see how that ends up being. Okay, now this is from Alina Cuddle, for sure. But she joined the bandwagon. She got on the bandwagon, I should say, to allow China, although China may be insisting that this is the only way they're going to let their vendors actually send stuff. Who knows? But it's efficient because then you don't get a bunch, less likelihood of things being lost in the mail. And we all know, ooh, the mail these days is not very fun. All right. Little packet of They're cute. They're actually little envelopes, crafting gems, sequins. They're calling them. They're so tiny, but they're too late for me to use this year for Valentine's Day. They have tiny little hearts. They're adorable. They really are cute. Can you see that? That is too cute. They're definitely for a shaker card. I doubt I would even try to put this on an envelope. All right, now here's what Aline is very famous for now. But of course, it's a ripoff. Okay, maybe not a ripoff because she does do it a little different, but she definitely got the concept from the United States. A vendor in the United States, more than one. But again, yeah. So, does say original design up here. Create a lovely life. I'm trying. So that's the die. And on the other side are the stamps. I like this one a little better than the one that I got via Amazon, but it was Alina Cuddle. This is smaller, and I actually like the smallness. So, you know, you stamp the whole baby out, then you place the die very strategically over what you have stamped out. So these are, I don't think they're, you know, these might be individual, but I don't think so. No, it's not individual. You stamp the whole thing out, you cut them all out at once, put them somewhere. Try not to forget where you put them. So when you're ready to use a strip with a message on it, you got it. So I'll just read you the most popular ones. Happy birthday, dear friend. A little message to say, oh, this is cute. Inbox, prepare to be happy. I love it. A note of thanks. Just reading you the main ones. Happy wedding. Oh, I'm happy for you. Celebrate your day in style. I love you, of course. Thanks so much. Be who you are because who you are is amazing. That's very original. Today is a good day to smile. Thoughtful stuff. I like it. All right. And that is it, guys. That's all from AliExpress. Now, I got really shocked because I received, oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, that's just the envelope. I got Happy Mail from the Unity Stamp Company. Really fast. I think I ordered this the day before yesterday. I'm amazed that it came so fast. And I don't usually order from them. But this was kind of on a sale kind of thing. And I just really liked it. I just was like, you know what? I need this in my life. Price was right. And I felt I had to do it. I did order the stamp kit from Simon Says yesterday. That probably will take a week. I'm on their list, so they offer it to me every month. But I wanted the dies to match. You know, the friggin' dies were 50 bucks. Okay, $48.99. But by the time you put tax and shipping, I was like, really? So the kit's going to be 45. And then that's 50. 100 bucks. It was for Easter, and I see myself using it every Easter to the end of the decade or until I die, whichever comes first. All right, so Unity. This is from Unity. And this is, like I said, super inexpensive. 25 bucks, and I got all this and a gift. You know, it's like Simon sometimes a little pricey. All right, sending a happy hello. It's their February 22 sentiment kit. I've been told I shouldn't buy sentiments. I should just type them up with different fonts. Never going to happen. I'd rather buy them already made. Let somebody else do, to me, what is considered the hard work. I'm opening the little present first because I can. Oh, how cute. Oh, it's a... Why didn't I think to do something like that? Okay, so it's a Valentine doily. I have red doilies, but they're kind of foily-like. So again, a little late. I got to remember where I put these things so I can use it next year. Oh, piece of ribbon. Okay. It's something. It's better than nothing. Please accept this gift as thanks. I mean, you know, something's better than nothing. And here is the set. Now, they do red rubber. So, I will have to... That's probably why, you know, it's not photopolymer. It might be cheaper to make, and they don't cut them out. You have to cut them out. And on the back, they don't have what they each one is. So you kind of need to stamp it on a thin piece of paper, and then, I mean, that's if you want to. So let me see, but there is a picture. Yeah, you guys aren't going to be able to see the picture. Well, maybe you can. I'll try and hold it up. Try not to get too much glare. So the sentiments basically are, you are, see, this is not actual size, so I'm squinting. Happy birthday, a happy hello. Have an amazing day. Hello, sunshine. It is going to be a great day. Enjoy love's little moments. Ugh, and very tiny ones. I don't know what they are, but they're not that tiny on here. Anyway, it's just one of those, you know, when you don't know what to send, what to say, but you want to say something. This stamp set will take care of it, and I can use the sentiments with many other stamps as well. And that's it, everybody. Sending a happy hello, yeah. Yep, that's it. That's it for today. Oh, 16 minutes. Facebook might not even take this. All right, guys, take care. Hope to do another unpackaging. I'll do it with my Simon Says kit, which probably won't be here for 3 weeks. Take care. Bye.